Alright, so I'm making another video today, and so hopefully the file size won't be so long. But I'm basically just gonna record myself doing like my practice, so you can practice along with me basically, like if you want to. So let's see, uh, charts by date. So I'm gonna make the 24th today. So 4/17, and go through here. April 2, 24, 17. We need that. We need that. Could have just got it from here, but whatever. Um, let's see, scan. Oh my god, what's going on? Okay. All right, so I like to. This is how I get that stuff in there. I just copy and paste it into here. And I can do it like right here, because I'm going to take this data, copy it, paste it. All right, so I'm done with that one. We'll open that one later and use it to. I use it to rename them. 2, 3, 4. So now I'm doing the losers. And I mean, I noticed today it was kind of weird. It was kind of slow on the gainer side. Like it's really been like heavy like loser. Um, like see how like look at that. Like that's probably like 20, like 20-ish, low 20s. Um, and then there's like more. You know, this has been like the past 3 days. It's been like this, and I've never seen it like this. You know, so I mean, heck, I don't know what's going on in the market, but we don't. It's kind of like I'm not really that nervous because like there's still like a lot of opportunities in there, but I mean, it'd be nice to like always have opportunities, like and like good opportunities. It seems like there's more opportunities to short than there is to buy right now. This past 3 days though, normally not. It's normally the opposite for a long time, so I'm not worried about it. But I can take this and save that. So I like to go through and I'm not gonna play music right now. I was thinking about it, but no. Here, let me close that out. So go through new folder. Just make sure I can do it. So yeah, so like I would take the pictures and then put them in a new folder and then copy them over into there and then switch the names over. So now I can take screenshots. Okay, so this is the gainers today, so I gotta take this out. I don't like to get that in the pictures, Alright, so here we go. Lots of losers, but it don't matter. So now that I got those two, I can rename it 2, 24, 17 losers. 2, 24, 17 gainers. X. Alright, so here we go. Getting it in there. Alright, so I got the pictures in there. Alright, now it's time to, oh wait. Alright, so I'm I'm gonna do the gainers now. So here we go. So this one is it's the highest one. It's not very, you can see it right here though. Yeah, that's it. I mean, I wouldn't trade that at all. It's choppy, so choppy. And there's only like what, like a 12-cent stock with like a million shares traded, like $100,000 traded in that stock. Like that's nothing, you know. Ugh. This one either, like this one is terrible too. GIGO, and then here we go. Here's something. CEMP. Okay, no, this one isn't. Hmm. It's downtrending, so like, well, here's an uptrend right here. Let me remove this real quick and draw better. Come in here. Honestly, there was an uptrend right here. But it didn't get anywhere. So now we're going down. Here's another uptrend. So break of that trend line. So I can change the color on that one. Red. Now it's going to start getting like super cluttered. So 1, 2, 3. So here we go. Alright, let's see how that work. Yeah, it worked pretty good. Caught it right there, pretty good, that 2618. But yeah, I wouldn't trade that one either, just because it's like, I mean, it just looks so, it looks like little blocks, you know, like it's going sideways for like ever, and then it just suddenly just takes off, you know, like it's just not, it's not a lot of, I mean, there's a lot of structure in it. I mean, it's tradable. You just got to get in like right there, you know, put your risk right here. You'd be risking a lot though. 15 cents, not that much. And then it failed. I mean, I don't know. It's just not a strong pattern. Like that was a decent pattern right here. Could have bought right here and then put it down here. So it was at 415. We were risking 10 cents on like a $4 stock. It's not bad. And if you would have had it one tick below, you wouldn't have got stopped out right here, and you could have caught it all the way up here, and then you could have been waiting on that 1618 from over here. So like, let's look at that one. This one caught the 3618. I'm not gonna draw that on though. It's way too many stuff. We're fine. But yeah, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. Got it from my records. CMP. Yeah, I'm gonna go through and like gather data on all that, like pretty much be like a pro, you know. Let's see. On my eyeball. Okay, so it's coming up, pulls back, up, pull back. All right, so like right here. I mean, if you're thinking of like shorting, that would be one. But we're not thinking of shorting though. Like if it's up that much, like you're looking to buy. So like I'm just gonna leave that one there. Now hit that 5618. I mean, I don't like the pattern though, honestly, because I mean, it does test the 14, so that's good, you know. And I mean, the 10, you know, things test the 10 and then fail. But I've really noticed that a lot of people use the 14. So like, if they test the 14, like everybody sees that as strength. But it went right through the 20, which is weakness, but it happens fairly often. And then it bounced off the 50, which is a good sign. So like in here, you'd be looking to buy, but that's just too much risk from where that 30. Oh, this is a $30 stock. 220. That's not risk. That's no risk at all, honestly. I'd take that in a heartbeat, but yeah, that'd be a good trade right here. Just like buy, But if I'm not really experienced like with these like more expensive stocks, so I don't know what the average like risk level is. But you just want to like see this pattern and like figure out what the average risk level is on these entries, like right here to here. Like how much risk was that? You want to do that math for all these different setup patterns, and you'll know like, okay, like this is about as good as it's gonna get right here. Like it's the average. So like yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, so what was the last one I did? Oh, I did it RH twice. Oh, that's so frustrating. Damn. That's so aggravating. I could probably salvage this. Yeah, I'm gonna salvage this. So 28. Damn it. Alright, I'm gonna have to do it this way. 24. Yeah, like the bulk rename utility that I used to rename all these stocks, like it's really specific. And, I'll have to fix it there when I get there. And I'm going to forget which one I messed up on. Like I already know I am. And it's going to be like 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my God. Okay, so here we go. I've messed this all up. Okay, so 10, 30. This has to be 1029. 1030, 1029, 1028. Here we go. Alright, fix this. 7. 26. 25. Alright. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent. Did I not delete it? Oh my God. Yeah, I didn't delete it. I'm such a freaking idiot. Oh my God, dude. That's why I can't like double screenshot because this will happen. So 1029, 1028, 1027, 1026. Okay, so done with that. All right, moving on. Zeno. Getting to Zeno. Oh, it's got something from yesterday. Oh, that's lag right there. It's not even like moving. Okay, here we go. It's just, I don't know, stutter. I've never done that before. All right, I promise. All right, so here we go. Caught it pretty good. I'd never trade those choppy charts like I keep saying, but I mean, it's good. It's still good data, just to test things out. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then we got a break. So I really would draw like a trend, Fibonacci level going down, but I don't want to clutter my chart up. So 1, 2, 3. So like right here, because it failed, That's pretty good. AAOI. $50 stock, studying those $50 stocks. Can't believe it. Like I chose to like study stocks that I'm not gonna trade because I want to trade them like maybe in the future, you know. And plus, it's still like good data. But like I'm really gonna like make my initial like money off of these penny stocks because they just, I mean, they're for like people that can't afford like more expensive stocks. So I would fall into that category. OLED. You can make a lot of money doing it too. I mean, it's not like, you know, it's not like they're, only poor people trade it. Like there's a lot of millionaires that trade them too. OLED. QTMM. But there's a lot of people that like just want to risk like $1,000 so they trade penny stocks. But just because like it takes so long to compound, off the more expensive stocks, so they think it's just a harder market though because you're coming from playing with like, uh, I mean it's a lot harder market. Penny stocks has a reputation. I think the forex market is harder though. QTMM was it? Zson. Uh, yeah, the forex market is harder. There's a lot more um, competition. Honestly, like I feel like there's not as much competition in penny stocks. Although there is, I just constantly see like good opportunities to like be trading, and I mean once I study it a little bit more, I'll probably find even more, and to the point where I'm just like just like printing money basically. Like that's where I want to be, and I'm not there yet. So, but I'm getting close. Getting really close. What happened? Okay, OWCP. I think it might be like the video camera causing it to be like a little laggy. Because I know like it shouldn't be like lagging because like it doesn't normally ever lag. So it most likely is the video that I'm doing. I like doing these videos too. Like even if nobody watches it, like I still feel like I'm doing something. Yeah, that's definitely the video. The fix. Oh my god, if it does this every single time. Fix. Fix it up. It's broken. Does that even count? Let me do it off this one. I feel like this one is like a better like move. Yeah. Although it's not really matching up. I don't know where people drew it. These suck. Okay, so 1, 2, full XTD. Alright, let's try this one. And that's closer. I think that's it, honestly. Although this one does fit. Does fit the pattern, and it does hit right here and here. I'm gonna use this one because it's like sooner, you know. CEI. So we're going up, down. Oh my god. You know, those sideways moves count as like a 2 pullback. That's what I've noticed. Because like a call right there, and I mean, it really did catch right there though. Right. BLPH. Well, I'm flying through these. Like sometimes it takes me like a little bit longer to do them. Maybe I'm getting faster. I think it's just like easier, uh, patterns. Honestly, I hit that 300 level. You can see how it's pretty proportional in between. Yeah, VUs. Yeah, fuel. Trading some fuel. Yeah, that pullback right there where it went up and then came back down and then went back up. That's where I counted that. Fuel. AUPH. So, oh yeah, this one's pretty easy right here. Yeah, definitely gonna do that one. Okay, so is there a close one? Here we go. All right. AUPH, not a bad stock. Oh, yeah, it was a pretty bad stock. Some of these patterns, you know, look good, and then I look at like the volume, and I mean, I really didn't notice any pattern about that, but it was going like it was like trending and like keeping to the Fibonacci pretty good. So I like seeing that. There was no like specific pattern that I was looking at on that one. Okay, I mean that's basically like 1, 2, 3. It's basically like the Fibonacci. Let me try to draw it off another one, see what happens. Here, this one right here. Oh. Yeah, that one fit pretty good. I'm gonna do it off this one now. Oh wait, I got them mixed up. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. I mean, I like it. SPEC, TBIO. Oh, only got 2 more on the gainers. So let's see. Yeah, it fit pretty good. Okay, where is this line coming from? Yeah, pretty good. And now we got ENPH. Oh yeah, that fit like perfect. It's crazy. It's crazy how it does that sometimes. ENPH. Okay, so now that I'm done with the gainers, I can take them and I can move them into their location. And I can copy them, paste them into here. I'm also going to copy this one, paste it in here. And now I can work on the losers. So yeah. Yep. Totally gonna do that. Oh. Alright, so burp, burp, burp. No. This is so aggravating to look at. Oh my god. But millions of shares were traded. It's crazy and it's so choppy. It looks like a child like drew it, honestly. It's got so many tails, so many oh man, I'm trying to think of like the candlestick term for that. Tails, wicks, tails, whatever. I was thinking wicks. Yeah, I'm gonna do this right here, honestly. Or like, I gotta do it in here. Okay, so it's just going sideways, you know, there's no trend. But even right here, like 1, 2, sideways. That's the 2 right there. So this is the start of another line. So I can't draw it off that. I gotta draw it off this right here. It's like 1, 2, but even that doesn't count. Oh my god, dude. You know, I don't even think there is a Fibonacci level in this. I mean, there probably is. Like, let me try to get it. Okay, so 1, 2. It never broke it, and then right when it breaks right here, it's 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna do it right here, honestly, and see what happens. Just the length of this deal. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. All right. Now that that nightmare is over, we're gonna do this one. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. 1. This is like torture, honestly. It's torture. Like, if I hated somebody, I would make them sit in front of the computer and have them do this, honestly. 1. It's like counting all day long. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's right here. Yeah, I found it. Okay. See how it matched up perfectly right there and right here? Didn't really match up right there, but probably went off the 300 level. Like, that happens a lot. It was 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's how I drew that. And I mean, that's hard to find now. ABWN HGG. All right, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh my God. Uh, this is like such a drag. All right, such pain. All right, here we go. Right here. Yes, I found it. That's it. Like, check it out. One. Oh wait, no. One, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it fit pretty good. I'm gonna take it. It's not gonna work every time, I'm sure. Yeah, that one's pretty easy because look, you got one. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. I counted that as a 2 because it's kind of going sideways. Which, I mean, you gotta eyeball it. I hope I didn't just double do that. Okay, yeah, I didn't do it. Okay. All right, sweet. Thank God. Graham. Okay. CMLS. Um, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, it failed. It's like 1, 2, 3. I mean, yeah, I think it worked actually. So I need tick data so I can see like what happened inside of a candle because that could have been a break. Looks like it worked. See what I'm saying? Like it's going 1, 2, 3. It's a double top, so that still counts as like a 2. If it didn't break it, so 3. But you would like say like this happened like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, like where it just did like crazy stuff inside the candle. That's where like tick data will help you. You can see, what the price is doing like by the tick, by like each and every single trade up to like a certain amount of ticks. Uh, do not want to run into a problem, so CMLS, got it. All right. FNCX. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3. I think that worked right there. It just totally failed. I mean, but it worked right here. I mean, you can see how I use that 0.78. Or wait a minute. Yeah, that was it right there. I'm such a moron. But it really didn't use it. It did use it though somewhat. All right, I'm gonna re-screenshot it. Yeah, because it did use it right there. Okay. I really don't want to but I mean, it won't take that long, honestly, to do to fix FNXCX. Although it might take like super long time, but no, it didn't take long. I can do it in Excel. NYHI. So 1, 2, 3. So 1. We got 1, 2. Man, shit. Dude, this sucks. 1, 2. My head is hurting so much from doing this. All right. Oh my lord. That one actually probably works, but I mean, it really work. So let's see here. All right, I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. Because like, you can see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. It's real choppy though, but it works. One, two. All right, here we go. It's good enough for me. Yeah, this one work. See, like, look how it stopped right there at that 1618. Just went sideways. Okay, this one's good right here, honestly. Yeah, I caught it at that 2618. Then it caught that 100 moving average. I need to do this one now. Got to change the color. Crazy how I caught that 10618 like perfect. All right. HCLP, MNTR. Oh, I gotta remove that. All right, so that was pretty easy. Okay, I went 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, MNTR, K's. Yeah, sweet. K's, ACIA. Oh my lord. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Here it is. All right, cut that 2618 perfect, and hit that. I think that's that 300. Probably. Yeah. I mean, it worked though. Good enough for me. Even though that was like a stock that opened down on the day from 52 to 56. People like to buy like stuff that's been sold off for some reason. It's like counter trend trading. I would never. I would learn my lesson against that. You know. C and AB. Here we go. Yeah. Telling you, it gives you like pretty good like profit targets. It really does. CNAB, okay. GRSO. It's just kind of tedious, so not everybody does it. All right. Doo-doo. I mean, yeah. I mean, like that is it right there. Those crazy like was that GRSO? It's crazy stocks, you know. GBLX. I don't even want to look at that one. GBLX. Okay. FFRMF. You know, a lot of these are so like lame looking stocks. Like they're so trash stocks, honestly. Okay, here's something. Yeah. It caught too. FFRMF. EPT. I'm more than halfway done with this now. So let's see. Right here. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Caught that 8618. EPT. What was that? $6. Not bad. Not $6 stock. AHT. Oh, that was a $21 stock. It just said $6 stock. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it from the top. So that's a 1 all the way to here, 2, 1, 2, 3. But I want to get another little one in here because I know there it is. I know it's in here somewhere. I think it's right here. Yeah, this is it. You can see how that works right here. We got, 1, 2, I think it broke it, and then we got 1, 2, 3, never broke it. So 1, 2, 3. So it definitely works. So yeah, HTEMES. There's probably gonna be a fib level on this one. Yeah, I remember drawing it. Okay. 1. Dude, this one is so like stair step, you know? Stair step. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh my god, I think it's like right here. No, it's not. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna draw it right here, right at the end of that level. I mean, it caught. I mean, if you want to count that as catching, like, I gotta do another one because it's so tiny. Look how tiny the price movements are. And it's only like $2 movements. It's crazy. Like, who buys this stuff or sells it? But I got this one right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this will be yellow. Got that ketchup and mustard thing going on, huh? Sounds like almost some hot dogs. Oh wait, there's even another one. Damn, there's 4 on this one. I can do orange. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it like that. All right, it's whatever. Like, I mean, you can still see all the price movements through it if you look hard enough. It's not like it makes it unreadable. And the data is good to go back and count, you know, SWN. So 1, 2, 3. I hate these like 2-minute sell-offs. You know, it's not even helpful. So 1, 2, 3. So, all right, here we go, right here. 1, 2, 3. Did I really say that? All right. This one looks like 4x. This is how 4x looks. Kind of all over the place. Okay. All right, that's good. That's good enough for me. Good enough for government work. That's what they say. SWN. Zoe's. One, two, three. Let me like hyperanalyze this real quick. So we got 1, 2, 3. Here it is. I found it. Looks like crap, but it works though. I mean, it would have caught that 3618 like pretty good. Like people stopped right at it. I'm gonna use it. And there was something over here I need to draw. It's a good uptrend. Uh, I wonder if that makes a difference. Because I saw another pullback in there. Like there's 2 like pullbacks, so it's not perfect like Fibonacci, but it might be like perfect for trading. No, that's not. This one is the one right here. Because you know, that's a hammer, inverted hammer, and I mean, it's basically like a break of the trend line. So you get 1, 2, 3. Oh, I can draw it off this one, but I'm not gonna get like the full amount. It's gonna be too small. Let me get this draw. It's gotta be perfect, guys. There we go. Pretty perfect. I mean, it's pretty good. Honestly, it fits twice. And now we can do it again over here. So we got one. Yeah, I can draw this on one. Yep. All right. So let's see, red and yellow. Oh, so that was white and red. I mean, I wonder if there's better colors I can use because red and yellow look kind of ugly together. Honestly, it really does look like ketchup and mustard. I bet I can do like this pink. Oh no, it's not good with red. I didn't think about that. Purple. Purple. Here we go. No, that's like pink. There needs to be like a dark purple. Oh, you can't hardly read that though. It's so hard to read. I'll just have to. I'm gonna use the orange. No, red and orange look ugly together. Oh my god. Ugh. I don't want to use a blue because I already have a blue line. I'll have to use the the green looks crazy. I've already tried the green. I'm just gonna do yellow again. Yellow works. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to save this chart. Looks amazing. Zoe's is done, so ATTBF. I'm getting pretty close. I'm getting pretty close. So one. Here we go. That's it right there. Doesn't fit. Oh, yeah, it does fit right here, so that works. ATTBF. CRK, I got like 8 more, I think, just from looking at it. CRK, so let's see. 1, 2, 3. That one, and now we got. Now we got. This one right here. It's like 1, 2, 3. I can do it off this one right here. That's what they probably used, honestly. Yeah, they used it. So red and yellow again. Hope you all like ketchup and mustard. Okay. Heck yeah. I feel like I'm like improving CRK. Really enjoy this. I can do this for hours, honestly. Like I have done it for hours. Uh, yeah. I mean, like that fit right here. That's probably like the 300 level. It's catching resistance at. I'm gonna use it. Just call it a day. I mean, not a day yet, but call that one done. Would that be NFT? Yeah. Get this one right here. I see it. I got the 1 and the 2 and the 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Well, it broke it actually. Damn. Excuse me. But for some reason people used it. Look, I thought it was wrong. 1, even just looking at this, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess that's a trend line. I mean, I guess you gotta use something. I did see it too. Oh, I gotta change the color. There's something from yesterday on there too. I mean, I did see it though, even though it was like barely fits, but it fits so perfectly. 1, 2, it tested like 3 times, like came back, tested again, and then again right here, like it's like pure Fibonacci like move. RNBA. CECO. CECO. 1, 2, 3. I'll do it. See what happens. Well, I don't always win every time. I don't see. I mean, that's a bullish pattern though. Be risking a lot of money though, like 30 cents on after a big bear trend like that. Not sure what I think of that, you know. But let me do this one real quick. I see this. It's another bullish pattern. That one worked too. It's like bullish on bullish over here. They had this one. That was bearish. But I'm not gonna draw these. I already screenshotted the chart. I don't wanna mess. Oh my god. Deleted it on accident. But I already screenshot anyway. It don't matter. CECO, ego, Lego my ego. Or ego, like I have a big ego. I probably do, honestly. Even though I shouldn't. But ego. We're gonna put our egos out the door. You know, like they're going away. All right, so 1, 2, 3. On those, I mean, they're so choppy, it don't matter, really. And I can't believe it's up 10% too, and it looks that choppy. Like 10% should be like a lot, but for those penny stocks, it's just choppiness. All right, so like, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Works pretty good, honestly. Works really good. I'm almost done. I got 2 left. TOS. I hope I never remove those studies on accident. Okay, so I can do a on it, but I don't want to do that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. Hose. We're not going there. Yeah. SND. Alright, got that. SND. Okay, that's a good job done, but I'm not done yet. I got to do a couple more things. Throw that one in there. Copy these. All right, so gainers, losers, renaming screenshots. Delete this. Oh, I also need a and the bulk rename utility. But what I did. I'm going to start with the gainers. So 1026 to 1048. So it's important to remember that. 1026 to 1048. Was it 26? Yeah. 1027. Alright, so now we go to the, I can unlock this now. Alright. So we are going to, oh, that's the only one that loaded. I swear, Excel is so laggy. You wouldn't think Excel would be like laggy, but it really is. It like does not, I mean, it's not very fast sometimes. I guess it uses a lot of processing power. My computer's a beast though, like it's pretty good. So, I mean, it shouldn't like do that though, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know why it does that. 22, that's pathetic. Usually there's like 35, you know, that's why I did this so fast. But, I think I've only been doing this for like an hour or something like that. Okay, so like, let's see. Alright. So take this, drag it down, updates the name, copy, paste it here. Then I gotta replace the spaces with no spaces. And then I copy that, put it in this. What? Oh, okay. Damn it. Alright. Now I can add a space right here. I gotta make it look exactly like yeah, okay, that's right. Sorry, I was thinking about it too much. I gotta make it look exactly like a screenshot and then open parentheses number.png. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So then I come into the rename utility. Go to my deal. Yo. We can do actions, import. So for some reason 1048 didn't catch. Why is that? Dude, what the hell? Alright, oh my god, what, this always happens like every single day, like there's always like some kind of problem with this. So I got 1026 through 1047. What is going on with all this? There's should be 24. No, there should be 22. Let's copy this again. 22. How many are in here? 23. What the freak? Oh, I must have added an extra chart in here somewhere. there's an extra chart in here. There it is. I got CMP twice. That's frustrating. It's the same exact thing too. Great. All right, I'm gonna delete the 29 one. No, the 28 one. Yeah, I got no choice. 26, 27. All right, here's what we can do. We can go like this. 28. I literally hate my life right now. 27. Okay. Now we go from 27 to 48. On those right here. All right. Copy. 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 Why is it not copying? Dude, what the freak? It's not deleting, not copying, not doing anything with the. Oh my god, dude. Okay. Alright, now it's working. Okay. I have no idea what just happened. Scary. And then it does that. I don't know why it does that. Oh my god, I forgot to. So frustrating. It's unbelievable. Okay, I gotta do this. Place with what? A space. Space. Actually, I really screwed up. Okay, I'm sorry. Did the exact opposite of what I should have done. Okay, can't close. Copy. Paste. This is unbelievably tedious. And every day I have to do it. Otherwise, I mean, I could have got done a lot quicker if I wouldn't have if I wouldn't have taken 2 screenshots. Like, I'd have been so done already with this whole deal. But because of my inability to do it, I have to like do this all over again now. Okay. All right, now I'm good. So here we go. Trading data, stocks, charts, for day, gainers, 24. Okay, actions, import, rename pairs. There we go. Perfect. Oh my god, perfect. Oh. Alright, cool. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we're straight. About to go play basketball tomorrow. It'll be pretty fun. Okay, so yeah. Clear. Alright, looks good. Delete that. Oh, what the heck? It's so trippy. Ah, that's what I did. Put it in the new folder. Okay, it's no big deal. X. B. All right, this one is 1049 through 1081. I know there's like some two charts in there that are like repeat charts, so we're gonna have the same problem. Was it 1049? I think so. $10.49, $10.81. I get rid of the scanners. Losers. Them loser charts. Alright, so like freaking slaying it. That's what we're doing. That's how you do it right here. Okay, now I gotta go through and see like which one is like a repeat chart. So should look like the same, exact same. I don't know if I can spot it though. That one. They all look really similar. Oh, here it is. FN. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so 54 needs to go. 54, you are disqualified. So starting at 10:55, this is now 10:55, and then this is 56. So yeah. Okay. All right, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, that's how you do it right there. Save. Now we're going to the losers. $49 and 81. I thought it was 80. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. 1080. 1049. How is there an 81? There's 34 items. I must have did two of them twice. That's what I did. No. Because look, there's 34 there. And there is 32 here, so yeah, I definitely have like more charts to go through and change. I mean, I don't really see like any problems though. Okay, so I knew about that one though. Freak. I'm just gonna see what happens with the deal. So here we go, Actions, import. NAO. SND should be 1080, right? It's saying HLS is 1080. What the hell is going on? Oh my god. Alright, how long has this video been going on? Freaking like hour and 15 minutes. Wow. Okay. It's gonna take me so long to figure out this problem. One HGG. Did I have HGG in there twice? Honestly, let me go in here. Just copy, paste this. I might have like messed up with this. No, I got 32 in there. So there's 2 extra pictures than there are stocks. No, there's 1 extra picture. Should it be? Oh, I never deleted it. That's why I'm such a moron. Wait, which one did I delete then? Oh no, that was the other one. So here, we got 33 items selected. Okay, this one, I deleted this one, that's good. Now we got 32 items selected. Okay, so maybe there isn't a problem. There should be 32. Oh, snap. Alright. So 53 is CMLS. And then 55 should be FNXT. That's what is wrong. Okay, so I'm missing a 54. That's what I did wrong. Okay, I'm so stupid. So 53, there's no 54, so that's 55. That's 56. Here we go. Now I show 81. It says 80. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Oh, okay, I got you now. That's what I did wrong. I selected the whole row and dragged it down. That's pretty bad. Yeah, alright. Honestly, it might just be better for me to do this stuff by hand because I just keep making like mistakes, you know? And it just takes so long to fix. But like, I'm gonna kill it though. Just like busy work, you know? Alright, I don't want to look at this anymore. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna delete this. No, wait, I don't need to delete it. I just have to do that. Import name pairs. Everything's perfect. 32 items. Excellent. Actions. Good. Escape. Alright, so we're straight. Come in here. Excel sucks, dude. It's so laggy and like lame. Okay. All right, I'm debating whether or not I want to go over the charts. I'm not gonna go over the charts today. You know, I'm just gonna flip through them though, real quick, just real quick. Shouldn't take me long. I can go through them pretty quick. Okay, so let me get rid of this. Just so y'all can like go through and like take a picture of each one. If y'all want, or you know, pause the thing and like take a screenshot of each one or something like that. Okay, so really weak day today. Horrible. This one looks good. This was like the only entry I see right here. Be an entry point, so you wait for a pullback. And I mean, it's really weak on this TTM wave. Like, it's pretty good like most of the time, but you do see it like pick up a little bit, and it says it's counter trend trading. But I mean, when you got this big gap up and then like a test of the 14 and then a pullback to the 50, that's like two measured moves, like one pullback, two, and then now it's like making a new thing. So like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So you can see how like it definitely tested the Fibonacci off of that. Where did I draw that? Off of here. So it was still using it right. It was like it like repeated, you know. Came, stopped these people out. Not surprised because that's such a powerful move up. So like if you would have got it like off of here, any entry like right here to here or here, you could have put your stop right here or here. And over here, I mean, you would have had to wait for this to happen. You would have had your stop like way back here. So you would have had to wait for this to happen. And then once this happens, you kind of know it's going to happen again. So you can't exactly move your stop just to right there. You still got to keep it there. But once it like double touches, then it's time to, in like the same area, then it's time to move the stop right here. And now you got like 3.5 risk and, you know, whatever it is you make. So like that. Oh, and guess what? Like this is like penny stock pattern, right, that I've been looking at. And I'm studying it on a $30 stock. Like that's pretty sad. So I'm moving on, honestly. And these are gainers that are up 2% a day. Nothing is like, oh wait. So I was supposed to pause it, like kind of hold it for a second for y'all. Here's something, but it failed. I mean, you kind of see how like it tried to do the exact same thing, but it didn't test the 14. Like that's the difference. Came back, punched through the 14, like huge sign of weakness, and it failed. And that right there is pretty much why this failed. So, I mean, patterns work. I wouldn't have been looking to buy it, honestly. I wouldn't have been looking to buy it because it failed to test the 14. So, yeah. All right, here's a good pattern. Tested 14, came back up, tested the 20, came back up. You could have bought like right up in here and then put a stop right under that 20. You've been risking like 2 cents, you know, make, 10 cents. It's pretty sad though. And then you would have got stopped out though, like an hour or two later, an hour later. But I mean, what happens, what if you didn't get stopped out, I mean, it would have went, higher, like it started to go higher. It's just a weak stock, and like today was horrible for gainers. Like this was a bad day. Fridays are usually like crappy. Like last Friday I think was good. The Friday before that was good. But I noticed that the majority of Fridays are crap. And I mean, I don't know why that is. It's probably because people want like a 3-day weekend. So people just pull their money out of the market, and that causes the the short sellers to like make more money because people are like selling. All right, so let's go to the losers now. This video is gonna be so long. Whatever. Okay, so much better day with the shorts. Again, like one of these weird patterns. Always like one of these a day that look crazy. I don't understand that. Okay, pretty good. I'm just gonna go through it and pause. Give you just enough time to pause the screen so you can study it yourself. Because I'm not like an expert at shorting or anything like that. Like I claim to be like pretty good at like gainer patterns. If I could like trade all day long, I would do that. But I'm still studying them. So pretty soon I'll like start trading again, like maybe like a month or two. And I'll have all this new data to help me. And I'm gonna be a lot better, honestly, because this is already helping me. So yeah. That's like a huge reversal pattern. Like it literally just like made a cup and handle. Like that's like textbook cup and handle right there. Like you got your cup, and you got your handle. Like I don't know, it's crazy to me. Like I'm literally looking at a cup and handle. Like it's never been so clear before. Although it's got this weird like stuff right here, but it's just a crazy looking stock anyway. That's what you get with those 30-cent stocks. Like craziness. Some of the patterns like form like inversely though. Like, see if I can spot it. No, I can't really spot it on these. Like, I mean, sometimes I can spot it, but like, I haven't really trained my eyes to spot it going down. I've just been looking like for stuff going up. Because I can like fly through the gainers, but when it's time to study the losers, it like takes me a little bit longer. All right, here we go. That's it. So yeah, I mean, pretty soon here though, like, I'm thinking like towards the end of the month, I'll like gather like all this data, like go through like, I mean, I can put like them all in like one master folder. That's what I should do, and just like flip through like hundreds, like how many. I want to figure out how much. There is one thing I really do want to figure out though, and that is the dollar average. So here, so this is when I started doing the dollar volume. So here we go. So equals sum so it should do it for every day. So just like to make a little data tab. So here, average dollar volume. So we can do equals. Oh wait, I'm not there yet. So equals average. I guess AV average Okay, so the average dollar volume is like 2 trillion, like 1.8 trillion. Is that right? Oh wow. Okay, I really screwed that all up. Here, like, let me get out of here. Don't save. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. I'll figure out that data later. I'm not gonna waste any more time. It's been an hour and 30 minutes. So all right. So it was fun. So I'm gonna head out today. So later.